I'm sitting in a 06 F-150. We're going to clear the keys out of the system. We're going to use one fully cut key, a metal key, and a key that's not been cut. The key I'm using are 80-bit, but it's backwards compatible to the 40-bit, which is what we need. We're going to use this key and this key to close the cycle out. So, go to Ford, USA. By system. You can go by vehicle if you like, but this is Pat's 3 can. Turn the ignition on. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on with the cut key. And you can see that's our security light right there. You see it's not programmed. Enter. Keys programmed. There's 2 in the system. Let's do clear and erase. Yes. 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 Okay, keys programmed 0. Press enter. Turn off. Unplug from down below. Okay, from this point, go ahead and turn the key off. At this point, we don't need the machine. It's all cleared out. The rest of it is just manually programming or cycling the key in. So, sorry for the bad angles here. But this is the first cut key. Now, watch the security light. It should go solid and it should stay solid, which it does. That means the first key is accepted. We'll turn it off. Now, I'm going to put the metal key in the switch. If you make a mistake, no big deal. It will not close down until it sees the second key. So, until it sees it, you're fine. The chips are usually in the corner down here, so we're going to hold it kind of at an angle. Let's look at the light. You can see I didn't quite hit it. Let's turn it back off. Turn it back on. May take a few tries. There we go. Lights out. Okay. Turn it off. Take the key out. Now, it has seen 2 keys. Now the vehicle, let's start. I'm going to put the original cut key back in that we started with. Now it should go out. There we go. Vehicle starts running up. All done. This way you can erase them. You don't have to cut the other key. You just need to use your metal key, blank key, and use one that's cut that you're going to use. Put the other one back into stock.